Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the WhatsApp message containing the Google Meet link. Tap the link now. WhatsApp will prompt to open it in your default browser or give you an option to copy it. Once done, check which Google account is signed in on your device. You want the account allowed into the meeting. If you prefer the Meet app, copy the link and prepare to paste it there. Otherwise, continue in the browser for a quicker join. You next open the link either directly in the Google Meet app or in your mobile browser. If you open the app, tap the search/paste field and paste the link, then tap Join. If you used a browser, wait for the meeting page to load and tap Join Meeting. Make sure to grant camera and microphone permissions so others can see and hear you. Also, double-check the selected Google account because the meeting may restrict which accounts can enter. You finish by tapping Join Now or request to join if the host controls entry, then wait for approval. If the link opens in the wrong app or shows an error, copy the link from WhatsApp and paste it into the Google Meet app's Join field, which is the only reliable workaround. If you still can't join, make sure Meet and WhatsApp are updated, sign into the correct Google account, and clear the app cache. That usually fixes lingering permission or loading issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.